Hello everyone, this is Jatin Charaya. First of all, I want to say thanks to you for watching my first video in which I explained you how to multiply a double digit number and triple digit number within 5 seconds. As I told you in last video also that in the next video I will explain you how to multiply any number with 11 and how to find the square of a number, and if you're having a complete number, how to find the cube root of that number. So without wasting any time, let me start the topic. How to multiply any number with 11. First of all, if you know very well that whenever we are having any numbers like 73 into 11, so what you are doing, that is 1 into 3, that is 3, 1 into 7, that is 7, then we are writing cross, and then 1 into 3, that is 3, 1 into 7, that is 7, and then we always add the numbers like 3, 7 plus 3, that is 10, plus 1, that is 8. So answer is 803. So my request is, now we are not going to follow the same method, the old fashioned method. Now the point is, whenever we are having a method like a number like 79 into 11, first of all we will write 7 here, 9 here. Now add both the numbers. 7 plus 9 is 16. But the point is, you can write only a single digit number. So we will write 9 here again, right side number 6, and left side number we will add on left side. 7 plus 1, that is 8. So 869 will be your carry. Again, one more example on 11, that is 24 into 11. Now first of all we will write 2 on the left side, 4 on the right side, and then addition of both. 2 plus 4, that is 6, your answer. One more number, 37 into 11. Again, 3 on the left side, 7 on the right side, but addition of both we will write in the middle. 7 plus 3 is 10. But the point is, you can write only a single digit number here. So we will write 7 again on the right side. You will take single digit right side number 0 here, and left side number we will add on the left side. 3 plus 1 is 4. It means now 407 is your answer. Now again, one more last example of 11 multiple, that is 23 into 11. Again you will write left side number on the left side, right side number on the right side, then we will add both the numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. This is your answer. I hope you are not having any doubt in multiple of 11. After that, I just want to tell you a very important method of square number. Suppose you are getting a question like how to multiply a same number with the same number, like multiple of any number, or find square of a number. Now my point is, suppose you are having 37 and we have to find the square of this number. Suppose you are having one more number, that is 72, and we have to find the square of this number. Again, one more number, suppose we are having 35, square of this number. And last number, fourth example, we are going to write, that is 89 square. Now first of all, what you are going to do, right side number is 7. So square of 7 is 7 sevens are 49. So you will write 9 here and 4 will be your carry. Now multiply both the numbers. 7 2s are 21. Double of this number, 21 into 2 is 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. Again 4 is your carry. Now left side number square is 3 square 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So the square of 37 is 1369. Again one more method, that is, first of all we will take square of right side number, then we will multiply both the numbers and take double of this number. After that, last step is square of left side number. Please focus. Right side number is 2. So 2 square is 4. Now multiply both the numbers. 7 2s are 14. 14. Double of this number is 28. We will write 8 here and 2 we will treat as a carry. Now left side square number. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 2 is 51 is your answer. Now one more example, that is 35 square. So right side number is 5. Square of 5 is 25. We will write 5 here and 2 we will treat as a carry. Now 3 5s are 15. Double of 15, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Carry is 3 now. Now left side square number, 3 square is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So square of 35 is 1225. So last example of this particular work is 89 square. So 9 square is 81. We will write 1 here and 8 will be your carry. Now multiply both the numbers. 8 9s are 72. Double of 72 is 144. 144 plus 8 is 152. 15 as a carry. Now left side 8 square is 64. 64 plus 15 you are going to write. That is 79. So answer of 89 square is 7921. Answer of 35 square is 1225. Answer of 72 square is now 5184. Now after that I want to tell you the cube numbers. I hope you are not having any doubt in the square of a number. For finding the cube of a number, the very important part is you have to learn the cubes, and please focus on the tricks of a cube. First of all, cube number, any number and its cube. Now my meaning is, suppose you are having a number that is 1. Cube of 1 is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. Cube of 2 is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Cube of 3 is 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. On the same pattern now I am going to write all the cubes up to 10. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729. Like 9 into 9 into 9, 7 into 7 into 7, and you will get your 343. 8 into 8 into 8, you will get 512. After that 10 cube is 1000. Now my main focus is on last digit number, because if you focus on last number then you can directly get your answer. Now please focus. If we are having 1 as a number, in the cube of that number only 1 is coming. It means grouping of 1 is only with 1. If you are having 4 as a number, so its cube is also last digit is 4. We are going to write it here as a group numbers. So 4 with 4. Now if you are having a number whose last number is 5, its cube is also having last number as a 5. So 5 is also having a group with 5. We are going to compare a number and unit place of the cube number. After that, suppose we are having 6. So group of 6 is also with 6. Like you can see, 1, then 1, 4, then 4, 5, then 5, 6, then 6, 9, then 9. So last group of, and 0 also we are having. It means if last number is 9, then in the cube of this number again unit place will be 9. And if 0 is there, again cube of that number will be as a last number 0. But the main point is you don't need to learn these points. What you have to learn, that is the main concept. That is, when you are having a number whose last number is 2, I'm going to write if unit place of a number is 2, and in the cube of that number always 8 will come. And if a number you are having whose last number is 8, in the cube of that number you will get 2. So we are having a group of 8 and 2. 8 and 2. Make a star on this. After that, we are having one more number like this. If 3 is a number as a unit place of a number, in the cube of that number always 7 will come. It means 3 is having a group with 7. And if you are having 7 as a number, in the cube of that number always 3 will come. It means 3 is having a group with 7. It's an alternate case actually. Whenever you are having a number in which last number is 2, so in the cube of that number always 8 will come. And reverse is also 2. In the number, if you are having last number as a 3, in the cube of that number always 7 will come. Okay. Now let us try with some of the example. Again, I just want to tell you the rules. If in any number last number is 2, in the cube of that number always 8 will come. And if in any number last number is 8, then in the cube of that number always 2 will be there. Same case for 3. If 3 is there in the cube, last number will be 7. And if 7 is there in the cube of that number, always 3 will be there as a last number, as a unit place number. Rest of the cases are also having same numbers. Now first of all, I just want to tell you one of the examples, that is 1, 2, 1, 6, 7. Suppose this number is completely a cube number. Second number is 7, 4, 0, 8, 8. Suppose this is a cube number. Again, I just want to tell you one more example, that is 421, 875. Now the point is we have to find the cube root of these numbers. So please focus, this is very important method. So cube means any number with 3 power. The meaning of cube is any number with 3 power. It means 3 is the main factor in this. So in the given number, we have to make the group of 3 numbers from right side. Like we are having 167 as a single group, group number 1, and then 12 with 0 here as a second group. In the second given number, suppose we are having 088. You will take always 3 numbers as a group. First, and in this number you are having second group. And in the third number, we will write 875 as a group 1 and 421 as a group 2. Now, the main point is, first of all, in group number 1 of all the given numbers, you have to judge only the last number, that is 7. Now, if 7 is a number, in the cube of that number always 3 will come. Yes or no? Now, the point is, in the cube root of this number always 3 will be there as the last number. Now, the point is, we will work on second group. Now, you have to think about a number that whose cube is equal to this number or less than this number. Like, group of 2 we are taking. 2 cube is 8. That is less than 12. Yes. But the cube of 3 is 27. 27 is more than 12 number. That is not acceptable. We have to think about a cube that is equal to this number or less than this number. 3 cube is 27, that is more than 12. So we will reject that number. But the cube of 2 is 8. That is less than number. So that we will write that number. 23. Now meaning of this concept is you will multiply 23 into 23 into 23. You will get same answer. After that, my second example is 74,088. Now as you can see on the right side we are having 088 and the unit place is 8. We have already discussed that if 8 is there as a last number, so its cube root will be 2 on the last number. If 8 is there, 8 group is with always 2. Now the point is 74. Now we have to think of a cube number that is equal to this number or that should be less than this number. Now 5 cube is 125, that is more than this number. Sorry, we cannot accept it. 4 cube is 64, that is less than this number, that is accepted. Now again I just want to tell you, if you are taking 5 cube, that is 125. This number is more than this number, so we cannot accept it. We have to think a cube number that should be equal to this number or less than this number. 4 cube is 64, that is less than this number, so this number is accepted. So we will write 4 here. It means 42 into 42 into 42 will be equal to this number. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, let us try one more example in which we are having 421, 875. Again, my focus is always on last number, that is given 5. If 5 is there, that is a group of itself. It means 5 will come only. Now left side number 421. Now we will think of a number that whose cube is equal to this number or less than this number. If you focus, cube of 7 cube is 343. That is less than this number. But the point is 8 cube is 512. 8 cube is 512. That is more than 421. So we cannot accept it. But the point is 7 cube is 343. That is less than this number. So definitely we have to accept 7 only. So we will write 7 here. So meaning of this particular point is 75 into 75 into 75 will be the same answer. That is 421, 875. So students, now my main point is whenever you are sitting in examination, always we are wasting minimum 30 seconds in an exam. It means if you can save 30 seconds in a particular question, and if you are having 30 questions, we can save 15 minutes, and in those 15 minutes you can try 2 or 3 more questions also if your speed is not so good. Now point is, if you are having these type of calculation and you're going to multiply or divide and try all the examples, so my advice is please try these all examples daily, minimum up to 30 minutes, and definitely within a week you will be perfect in this method. So if you like my video, then please click on like and subscribe button so that you can get the same videos in future. Thank you.